Your body needs sufficient amount of vitamin B12. You need it for your nerves, you need it for your red blood cells, your DNA, and other bodily functions. On average, an adult needs 2.4 micrograms of vitamin B12 a day. But your body can produce your own vitamin B12 and you need to take it in from the food that you're getting. Now, this becomes a problem because most of the foods that we are getting are actually deficient with vitamin B12. Plus, others also have absorption problem, which means they can't take in enough amount of vitamin B12 no matter how much they're having. Vitamin B12 deficiency is relatively common. It is common in our older adults. It's common for those who are strict vegans, for those who have absorption problems, those who have undergone surgery, and even for those who are battling with diabetes and have metformin, which you will be learning about later. Symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency can start gradually and it can worsen over time, but in some cases, it can also start on quickly. In this video, you will learn about the 9 most common symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. Stay with me until the end. You will know about the natural food sources of vitamin B12 and you will know if these symptoms can actually be reversed. Hi, this is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy, teaching you health tips and home exercise programs that you and your family can benefit from. Here are the top 9 common symptoms for you to know if you lack vitamin B12. Anemia. In 2/3 of patients who have been diagnosed with vitamin B12 deficiency, anemia is the initial symptom. In particular, vitamin B12 is linked with megaloblastic anemia. Now, this is a type of anemia wherein the red blood cells are large, yet they are abnormal and they are immature. Since there is a lack of red blood cells, vitamin B12 deficiency can actually lead to pale skin and even poor concentration. Plus, in line with this, there can also be jaundice, wherein there is a yellowish discoloration in the skin and the sclera of the eyes due to high levels of bilirubin, which is a waste product when the body breaks down red blood cells. Now, this leads us to our second most common symptom, which is lack of energy and fatigue. Since you need sufficient amount of red blood cells to deliver oxygen in different areas of the body, including your muscles, many would feel lack of energy and they would easily feel tired. In fact, lack of vitamin B12 had also been linked to muscle pain. Mouth pain. Lack of vitamin B12 is actually linked to painful, inflamed, and red tongue known as glossitis. Plus, you can also observe mouth sores. Now, take note, mouth pain is usually worsened when exposed to vinegar and salt, and the reason why others may have loss in appetite. Headache. Headache is one of the most common symptoms associated with vitamin B12 deficiency both in adults and in children alike. Clinical studies have actually shown that people who always have headache are more likely to have vitamin B12 deficiency. Pins and needle sensation. Lack of vitamin B12 can actually lead to pins and needle sensation as well as numbness in the hands and feet. Many of those who lack vitamin B12 are actually complaining of stocking-type sensory impairment, which means that they feel pins and needle sensation as well as numbness on the foot going up to their mid-shin level. Sadly though, the symptoms associated with numbness with vitamin B12 deficiency can be confused with diabetic neuropathy, which is a complication of diabetes due to high sugar level. Plus, a certain medication that is used to lower diabetes known as metformin can actually affect your body's absorption of vitamin B12. And this is actually the reason why if you're diabetic and if you have had metformin for quite so long and you're already suffering with numbness and pins and needles sensation, it is best to have yourself checked for vitamin B12 deficiency. Before we proceed to the other symptoms, if you're learning something out of this video, please let me know by simply clicking on the like button below. This will also help this channel grow. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button below so you won't be missing out in our weekly health videos. Unsteadiness in walking. Ataxia, which is an impairment in balance and coordination, is a neurological symptom that is actually associated with vitamin B12 deficiency. I can say that these symptoms manifest on the later part of deficiency. Mood swings. Mood swing is actually a symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency. Not many know, but vitamin B12 actually plays a crucial role in our brain. And that's why lack of vitamin B12 had also been linked with depression. If you lack vitamin B12, you have a higher probability of increase in sulfur-containing amino acid known as homocysteine, which can actually damage brain tissue and lead to mood swings and even depression. Blurring of vision. As I have mentioned earlier, vitamin B12 has a crucial role for our nerves, and that includes your optic nerve. That's the reason why if someone lacks vitamin B12, it can result to blurring of vision. Forgetfulness and mental decline. Lack of vitamin B12 because of its role again on the brain can actually result to being forgetful and even difficulty completing tasks. Now, this is really sad because it has the capacity to affect older adults. Plus, older adults also have an increased risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. In fact, there are many studies which have evaluated the link of mental decline in older adults and lack of vitamin B12. Don't worry though, mental decline which is caused by vitamin B12 deficiency can be corrected. Now, given that you have felt one or few of these symptoms, to really confirm if you lack vitamin B12, a blood test needs to be done. If upon checking your vitamin B12 level is indeed low, there are 2 R's to focus on. This is the reversal of symptoms and restoration of body stores. Top food sources of vitamin B12 would include your meat, your eggs, your dairy products, and all products from animals. Now, if you really need supplementation, 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin B12 will be injected for 5 to 7 days by your doctor. Now, with the question if you can fully reverse the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, it really depends on the severity. But the faster you get treatment, the faster your recovery will be. If you want to know more about the role of vitamin B12 in numbness, pins and needle sensation, and even nerve healing, I have a video here. Please click on it. It will greatly help you. If you have reached the end of this video, should you have any questions, please comment down below because I would really get back on you. Thank you very much for watching. This is again Doc Cherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. God bless you.